since version 7.0, Glaser simulation can be performed also in 3D. Like in 2D, you have to select ISO 13788 as Glaser simulation in simulation settings to visualize internal volumes, for example, to check relative humidity, enable the Show Internal Volumes option. Here we've also enabled transparency, set to 0.1, in Glaser rendering settings. This makes internal areas more visible. Like in 2D, simulation is performed for every month. Here you can see condensation, blue, and evaporation, green, varying during the year.